As Solicitor General Jose Calida filed a warranto petition against ABS-CBN before the Supreme Court, netizens roasted Noli de Castro, Failon and Anthony Taberna due to their silence. The three Kapamilya broadcasters are seen as friendly towards the Duterte administration. The parody account Malacanang Events tweeted this: Baja is Taberna's partner on the commentary show Dos por Dos on DZMM, ABS-CBN's radio station. While their colleagues in the media and celebrities rally behind ABS-CBN, netizens kept criticizing De Castro, Failon and Taberna for letting out a nary squeak.